Now I'm going to show you how to put together the DC fan circuit. The first thing you're going to need is your battery pack with your batteries in it, and you're going to plug that into the positive and negative strip as usual. And then you're going to take your first lead and plug it into the positive strip and then into any of the rows of the breadboard. And then you're going to plug in your button. So one corner of your button, one of the leads, should be plugged into the same row as that first jumper wire you placed. Alright, then in the opposite corner of that button, you're going to place the first lead of the motor. And then the second lead of the motor you can plug into any other row, and then take your second jumper and place it in that same row and plug it into the negative strip of the breadboard. Now your circuit's all ready to go. Last but not least, you want to place your fan on your motor. Just kind of press it down on there.